everyone, my name is Lindsay Gales. For my game, I decided to use Google Slides. The more research I did, I realized you can actually make games using Google Slides. I've never done this before, so it's taken me a little while to research and figure out. I will admit I was really stuck. I had no idea how to take this game and really make it real. So with a little research, I decided to try this. So this is how it looks so far. So I used Google Slides, and I took some time understanding how to use master copies. So I created these master slides, and I decided to stick with one state for right now because my game, the broad idea of it was, the broad scope of it was just too much to do, like all 50 states in a game. Oh my goodness. So I'm sticking with one state for now. So as they open the slide, they will see a picture of New York State. They answer each question. So the goal is to answer each question correctly in order to earn a token. And if you earn all 4 tokens by completing all 4 questions correctly, you are able to collect the state. So I have to add in a video. So this is the video I will be using, which is where I pulled all of my questions from. Okay, so this is the New York for Kids U.S. States Learning video from Homeschool Pop. So I have to insert the link, so they'll watch this video first, if this wants to work. There we go. So they'll watch the video first, and then I need to insert a way for students to be able to click on the start, and it just automatically goes to the next slide. So then I have my question slides. What is the capital of New York State? I'm going to go in and add kind of links. I'm still learning this, but adding links to each question. So it'll either come up with this, correct, you earn a token, and a token will like drop down. I'm going to have a token drop down from the sky. Or they'll get oops, try again, and a star will click. A star will come back down because I didn't want to have like a frowny face or something negative connotation. So I thought, let's just go with the star. It was a good try. They click on the star and I'll take them back. Okay, so the answer obviously is Albany. So then what is the New York State bird? Same thing applies. They'll click and they'll either get a correct slide or an oops slide. And if they get the oops slide, I'm going to link it so it brings them right back to this question slide. So really, students are getting automatic feedback. Okay. Which president called New York State the seat of the empire? And then the other question is, which ocean borders New York State? Okay. And then at the end, I'm still learning. So obviously the goal is to get all 4 correct. They need to get all 4 correct in order to collect the state. Now, if they don't get all 4 correct, they have to retest to be able to get all 4 correct to move on and unlock the next state. So that is the part that I have to figure out, this ending portion on, okay, what's it going to look like, or what is it going to tell my student if they didn't get all 4? So I'm really excited to add some fun features in, a lot of different like movement, clip art, but so far it's looking really great and I'm loving the progress. So now I'm going to go in and add all of the animated features, and that'll be a taste of my game, just focusing on one state. It's still quite a lot of work, and then in the grand scheme of things, I would just keep replicating per state or per region or per country or whatever level we want to go on from here. So, this is my game so far. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed.